Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about file handling in C. As we know that the main memory is a volatile memory. It means when the power is switched off, data will be lost, and it is very impossible, very difficult to recover the data generated programmatically. So, in order to save data permanently, we need a file. So, this is the need of file handling in C language. Now, with the help of this, we can create a file, we can update a file, we can read a file, we can delete a file. Now, we have various functions provided with the library function to handle file. For example, fopen. This is a function used to create a new file. Printf function, as we know that printf function is used to write data on the console. So with the help of fprintf, we can write data to a file. Here F stands for file. Now, just like fprintf, we have fscanf function. With the help of this, we can read data from the file. We have fclose function. With the help of this, we can closes the file. Now before creating a file, we need to understand the structure of a file. First, what we have to do, we have to open a file. After opening a file, we have to perform some operations, and after that we have to close a file. These are the three things that we have to remember. So let us understand the functioning of fopen function. Before performing any operations, we have to open a file in a read, write or update mode with the help of fopen function. Now its syntax is given by file *fopen constant character file name constant character mode. Now it is a pointer. We have to pass the file name here and in which mode we have to open in read mode, we have to open in write mode, and we have to open in append mode. So let us understand the various modes available are. With the help of this mode, we can open a text file in read mode. With the help of W, we can open a text file in. With the help of A, we can open a file in append mode. Now, when we put plus towards this, with the help of R plus, W plus, A plus, here the plus stands for extra mode. That is, when there is R plus, we can read a file as well as we can write a file. W plus, we can write a file as well as we can read a file. We can append a file, means we can read a file and write a file. This is the text mode. We can open a file in another mode that is known as binary mode. So in binary mode, the data will be written in the form of 0 and 1, that is in a binary format. So what we have to do, we have to put B, that is open a binary file in read mode. WB, open a binary file in write mode. AB, open a binary file in append mode. So when we put plus, then a file will be opened in read and write mode, opened in write and read mode, opened in read and write mode. So hope you have understood this structure of a file. Thank you very much.